Today we are in beautiful downtown Fernandina Beach on Amelia Island, and we want to do a walking tour of the downtown area. Now, a few things. We're really just going to do Center, is it Street? Boulevard? Center Street. But the issue is they are currently having the Dickens Festival on Center Street. So it's not going to really be an empty downtown tour. The streets are filled with tents and other things like that, but we're gonna walk one side, kind of show you the stores, maybe go in a couple, and then show you the other side. Let's go check it out. We're gonna start the tour on Atlantic Ave, Center Street, North 8th Street, South 8th Street. So Center Street's gonna be this way. And once you come to St. Peter's Church right here on the corner, we're gonna head this way over by the sign that says Center Street, Fernandina Beach Historic District, National Register of Historic Places. So we just crossed the road. We're on Center Street. We're gonna go down this side of it and then come back the other way. Start with a bank. Continue down this way. The only thing we realized is, sorry, the wind's picking up here. The only thing we realized is most things don't open until 10 and it's about 9:15. So probably gonna be pretty quiet down here. The original Dickens on Center. We did do a video of that, so you can check that out if you'd like. Now they do have good signage because all along these streets, so this is Center and 6th. They've got some information. We already decided that we are gonna come back sometime in like the off season, but that way we can maybe do another tour of some of the side streets too, because there's some pretty cool stuff on the side streets. Here we have a couple real estate offices. Look at this bull. What does this say? Oh, nice. Cool. And we would love to try a bunch of these restaurants down here. Now we are on Center and 5th. Some of the things located on the streets here. I know there is a coffee shop. What is it? The Amelia Island Coffee. We're gonna go in. Maybe a couple stores if we are here when they open up. They should be opening soon. But look how pretty this is. Here's a little description of this house. Circa 1860, one of the oldest homes in Fernandina Beach. That is a pretty home. So it's currently 10 o'clock, so some of these stores should be opened up. What do we have here? Post office? Wow. And I think, like I said, we did a video of this Dickens on Center. I think it opens at 10, so people probably piling in to see that. We have North 4th Street, so Center and 4th. There's parking all along here. We have Hudson and Perry, which look like a pretty cool store. Of course, here's all the Dickens tents and stuff. Part-time weekend home wanted. So closed. I don't see their hours. Wow, Sunday actually, a lot of these stores are closed, it seems. Well, that one's open. I don't know, it's hit or miss. Definitely Saturday, majority of them will be open. Reading some of these signs. So again, typically all this stuff won't be in the middle of the road. And this brings us to Center and 3rd. Center and 3rd. Most of these side streets will be all festival stuff. There's some pretty cool places to stay down here too. Jewelers. On past that, we have, should be the coffee place soon, right? I think right up here on the corner is the coffee place. Yeah, it's this building right here. And we are gonna stop in here and get us some drink or something here. Amelia Island Coffee, established 1995. Let's see. Wow, this is a big place. Look at this. Breakfast brunch, cold and icy, pastries, ice cream treats, hot. They do have some different treats in here. I went with the classic iced matcha latte with vanilla. Some different ice creams. They got nugget ice here, so this is what mine looks like. She got some sort of what? Vanilla peppermint?
Yeah.
Latte? With the little band drummers playing in the background there. More houses for sale. The salty local. Ooh. Now we are on 2nd and Center. So hopefully you're catching on. It goes 65432. Probably 1st Street up here.
Yeah, because it's one of the places is called First and Center. Or no, Front. It's called Front Street. Front and Center.
Oh, that's clever.
I saw that last time.
Here we have Florida's oldest bar. Palace Saloon. I guess you can go in there? Right now, is it open? Yep, it's open. That might be pretty cool to go in and check out. Look at this place. Oh, a bit like the Bears. And then when you get past all that, oh, there's a train. Windy, so if you hear a lot of wind, I apologize. Yeah, Front Street. You're right. So it's not First, it's Front and Center. Wind's probably super loud right now, but Front and Center shop. Look at this anchor. Says that's closed. Maybe Sunday's not the best time to be out and about downtown. Look at this massive ship over here. That would be a nice boat to be on right there. There's a lot of boats. In fact, this boat right here, Front and Center, this little small one's bigger than the boat I got.
Front and Center.
Front and Center, because we don't have a boat, so that one's bigger than our boat. That's awesome. Definitely gonna go on a cruise, some sort of boat ride here sometime in the near future. They have a little fake shark you can get a picture with right there.
I like that one right there, just in the middle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that $700,000 one right there in the middle, yeah.
Too much, huh?
Over here to the right, we have a Hampton Inn and Suites. That would be a good location for a hotel since it's right here, basically downtown. Love the color of that too, look at that. Now we are heading back. We got here, Historic District. Whoa. Peg leg. Florida's first Atlantic to Gulf Railroad. Oh wow. Been to Cedar Key, it was awesome. We have some videos on that. Look. Yulee. Now a couple things. Levy, there's Levy County around here, and Yulee, we went to the Yulee Sugar Mill Ruins, which I'm guessing is connection to. We're gonna come over here to the Welcome Center. They do have restrooms over there at the comfort station, but it says please come in.
So sesquicentennial time capsule, Fernandina Beach.
Also, we're not going in the Welcome Center. There wasn't much in there. It didn't appear. Here we have the Revolutionary War invasion of British East Florida. So sorry this might not be the best downtown tour of Center Street, but when we were looking at coming down here, we didn't really have any idea what it looked like, so at least you can see
We planned it around
the festival. Yeah, and everything's closed on Sunday, but that's all right. We weren't going to go into every single store. I will say, if anybody's got a kind $4 million. Actually, I would probably need, how about if you have $4,674,000?
5 million.
Yeah, if you have 5 million just lying around and
Closing costs, whatnot.
want to, help me pay cash for that, then you can just Venmo, yeah, or 20 million. I'll take a yacht too, whichever. I mean, I'm not super picky about that kind of stuff. Ice cream sandwich. Ooh.
Look at this is the
Whoa.
Merry Christmas. It's that little guy.
Oh yeah, it's a peg leg. Yeah, this is a pretty neat little shop. I guess it's an ice cream shop. So we are going to turn down 2nd Street because we saw this the other day walking around and wanted to show it. But up here they have this toy store. And Timber can tell you I don't know how to, Villa Cula. What is all that?
It's from Pippi Longstocking. It's her house that she lived in.
Oh, okay, there you go.
And then that little monkey, I'm assuming, is Mr. Nilsson. I love Pippi Longstocking.
There we have it. Look at these. Oh, do they? Oh, there you go.
Pipolata. I don't remember her whole name. It's something crazy.
This is cool. Look at this. Reminds me of the scene on Elf when he makes all the stuff overnight. Got some cool stuffed animals in here. Look at this little golf ball with a visor. Christmas on the river. Oh, that's a Christmas store. So this Christmas store used to be a bank in 1877. They're still going hard on the drums. Definitely makes me want to dance. I could sit here and listen to this all day. Look at this interesting ship's lantern. Whoa! Look at that. Wow. Oh. There's some cool places here. The book loft. We did go in this the other day. We're gonna go back in it because it is pretty cool. So they do have a loft area. We went in there the other day. They didn't have a whole lot up there, but it's cool that they do have a loft. Yeah, this is a pretty cool town. Definitely gonna be a stop for us multiple times. Just past 3rd Street and Center, got a mezcal restaurant here. Again, there's gonna be a time we come back and do several food reviews here. We already did one. A lot of ice cream shops, you're right. I already did a food review while we were here for this trip, but one of these days, a full out Amelia Island, Fernandina Beach review. Check out across the pond. We're looking at these little ducks, and what'd she say? They're carved
In barley.
and then they have a stamp of
And
approval.
when they get back there, they do a stamp of approval and they give it a name.
That's so cool. We do have the Spice and Tea Exchange. Those are always fun to go into. That place back there was really awesome. They got a tavern up here.
Someone mentioned that they recommended this.
The tavern?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we definitely have to come back to try it out. And I think we've about shown all of the area. Up here, there's gonna be some more real estate offices. And then there's that old house we went by earlier. I think we're kind of out of the main little area. Look at this fountain. Is this the historic courthouse? Few remaining courthouses in Florida built in the late 19th century. Center and 5th Street right now. And honestly, we'll just finish this street. We're almost done. So here is the historic district. There's a lot of things to look at here. Just kind of hold the phone here. Feel free to pause the screen and check it all out. But you can see right there we are. You are here. Walked all the way down Center. Up here we have Peppers Mexican Grill. There are so many good looking restaurants. An antique market up here on the right. There's that church, so now we're on Center and 6th. And then another restaurant right here. Doesn't look open. And then we've almost made it back to where we started this journey. There is another restaurant up here on the corner. This is Center and 7th Street. It says they do have a farmer's market Saturday 9 to 1 that way. Looks like another antiques. So a quick story about this little antique place we went in. We actually bought a glass eggnog container. And the reason we bought it is, one, I like eggnog, but we're not ever gonna put eggnog in it. Two, the glass maker was the same glass maker that we found the little ink glass bottle.
We're not sure that it's an ink. We can't really figure out what it is, but it was made by Hazel Atlas glass.
And when we showed you the things we found in our yard, that was one of the symbol things we found in our yard. Here we have Mason's famous lobster rolls. And then over here we have Tasty's Fresh Burgers. And then right here, where we started this journey. So that's where we're gonna end it. All right, hopefully that was a good tour of downtown Fernandina Beach on Amelia Island. Kind of tricky with the festival going on, but we will come back, do some food reviews, and do another, probably another tour when not all the stuff's in the middle of the road. But fun times, love this little town. Definitely will be back. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.